test that was done by a floor installer. It's called a Vapor Score. And it's calcium chloride packet gets set onto a floor for 24, 72 hours, something like that, I'm not sure. But that tells you how much moisture has occurred here inside this and not outside. Problem with that is that it's only there and it doesn't test the whole area. It doesn't. So I can test here and see how much moisture is there immediately. I don't have to wait 24, 48 hours. And then, because there's flooring installed here, I have to use a different meter. A different meter will test anywhere I want and see where the source of the moisture is. And in this case, we found more moisture on this side of the house than we did there, which tells me that this is where the moisture is coming from. Whereas floor guys just want to know, they only know floors, so they can't diagnose the whole thing, but this is what they do.